Hello everyone, good morning. Today we have a problem of the LeetCode problem. We have a problem number 2553. Separate the digit in an array. First of all, we can understand the problem. Then we think a solution, what we can do. First of all, we have a positive integer nums array, given array. Then we have to return answer. Uh, Answer should be in same order like up here, and we have to separate the digit, uh, get all digit in the same order. Simply the problem is the like we have if we have a digit like 10921, using we have to separate that, if first digit is a 1, then separate to the 1. The second digit is a 0, then separate 0, then 9, then we separate 9, then 2, then 1, like that. First, we can see in example number 1, like we have a nums array 13, 25, 83, and 77. We have to separate that. Like first of all, we separate the 13, then 25, then 83, then 77. First we separate 13 to 1 3, then separate 25 to 2 5, then separate 83 to 8 3, and separate 77 to 77. Then we have to return that separate value. uh, like approach, we have two approach in my mind. Like first we can make a one empty string, then we push that 13, then we separate 1 and 3, then return to the make a one extra vector, then return to the vector. Then we push the 25, then separate that and return to the vector. Then we have 83, then separate 83, 8 and 3, push to the our vector, like that. Another approach is we can make a module operator mathematically. Then we mod to the 10, 13 to mod 10, then it divided 1 and 3. Like first we got a 3, then we got a 1. And then 25 we separate 2 and 5, then 83 we separate 8 and 3, then 77 we separate the 77 77. Like we code for that. We uh, we can I can start the right code, see what it we run or not. Like first of all, we have to make a one separate vector for storing all the output. We can make a answer vector. I can write a vector that is a type of int. Uh, Name is a we can call name as answer. Then we can make a for loop for the tables full nums. Like we make a for loop for that, starting with the int I equal to 0. Then I not greater than nums dot size, then I plus plus. Then we can we can separate in nums I we have 13 value. Like we can store that value to the one integer. Like we can call a one integer temp, in which we store the nums I store the nums I. Uh, After that, if we store the 13 to the temp, uh, then we separate. If we have a only 7, then we don't have to separate. That's why we make a one if condition. If temp is less than 10, then we can directly push that to our answer vector, like a answer dot push back push back uh, temp. Okay. uh, uh, and then we can say it continue, continue to the next element. Uh, then we make a one stack for storing the dividing value. Like if we have a 13, uh, then we divide more to 13 more 10. Then we separate that value. We store the single value to stack. Then push out to the stack and save to the vector. That's why we make a one stack for that stack. Uh, we make int. Uh, we call it st stack int sc, and then we make a while loop for uh, uh, for traversing our temp. Let's make a condition temp. And then we make a one uh, uh, digit for that storing that value, and we can divide that temp over them. Like we can if int digit enter digit is equal to, we can divide that temp mod 10 important. Then we can push that to the our stack dot push our digit. uh, then we have to divide our um, uh, temp to half, like divided like if we mod, then we need to for second digit we divide, then after that we make a loop to store the second value. uh, like temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Then after the storing in the stack, we push out to the stack and save to our vector answer. For this, we can make a one more while loop. Uh, st not 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 empty, uh, like st empty. It not be empty. Then we run that while loop, uh, and we can store our first value of the top to the one integer. Like I can create a int. I name is a one like uh, any one like row. Then st dot top. Then we can push back to the answer dot push back uh, to the row. Then we need to pop that element from the top. Pop. Okay. And then we have to return our answer. Return answer. Okay, let's run that. Okay, we easily pass that all the test cases. Like we have to submit the code. You can see our full code. We easily passed all test cases. Let's submit that. Okay, our code is submitted. Uh, its time complexity is, I can say, for extra space and separate the digit, and we make a one for loop. For that, we can make a one stack, and for moving more for stack we make a one while loop for digit, and for one loop for moving nums 1 to n. That's the time complexity is a n plus d. And the space complexity, we store a extra space for vector. That's why we have a big of the complexity for space complexity for our code. That is the uh, we can solve that today problem. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button of my video, and also you like my content, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.